Welcome to WordPress. I was looking for a syntax highlighter plugin for WordPress but couldn't find one that worked well. And honestly, it's probably for a good reason. Many of these plugins can create security issues or slow down your website. So I found a better, cleaner and more flexible solution. That is embedding code snippets directly from GitHub Gists into your website. GitHub Gists allow you to write and share code with syntax highlighting, version control, and the ability to easily embed it anywhere, even into WordPress post or page. Here is how you can create a gist and embed it into your website. Go to gist.github.com. Create a new gist by clicking plus icon. You will see a form where you can enter file name including extension. Type file name and extension and enter your code snippet in the text box. You can also enter an optional description at the top. You can create multiple files in one gist if needed. Choose whether it should be public and visible to anyone or secret gist and unlisted but shareable via link. Save the gist. Once created, look for the embed button. In front of it there will be script. Copy that script tag. And now we can embed that code snippet in WordPress or in any website. Use a custom HTML block or use code editor, paste the embed code, that is this script tag, and that's it. And here it is. Now why this is better than plugins? That is because no need to manage or update syntax plugins. GitHub handles formatting, styling, and updates. You can edit your gist and the changes will reflect. It's cleaner HTML and faster load time. You don't need to worry about changing plugin and code. Cleaner and effective. And if you want to share the code, copy the gist URL and share anywhere. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.